Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a figurative language worksheet using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. So let's get started. Now first we are going to pick out a template that we like. We have a lot of great options here, but I think I'm going to go with the second one. Just click the copy template button that's right below, and this will bring us directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt us to give our template a name. Now you can call yours whatever you would like. I'm just going to go with template 1 and click continue. Alright, now it's time for us to customize our template. This is where we get to add characters, items, make any changes to the text, whatever it is that we want to do. So first, I'd like to go over characters. Now we have this nice character here reading a book with this nice stick figure, but I'd like to make them a regular character. So let's delete them. Just select your item and go to the right hand menu and delete. And let's add a new character in. So if we go over to our characters menu, let's search under the teens category. And I like this character here. So all you have to do is just drag and drop them into your storyboard. And now we get to customize them. This is where we get to update facial expressions, change the pose, colors, whatever it is we would like to do. So I like the idea of them sitting down and reading. So let's make our changes. Let's change the angle of the head. And when you're all done with your character, just click the update pose button below. I'd like to change the color of their hoodie. All right, I think that looks good. So click update pose, and there's our character. Now you can move them anywhere you want within your storyboard, as well as resize them. So all you have to do is just drag the corner of the image, and there you go. They don't need to be too much bigger, just to fill the space nice would be the good way to go. All right, now our book is floating over here. So let's move this and reposition it. If we just drag our book back, now if you notice it is behind our character now, so let's bring that all the way to the front. Go to your right hand menu and select bring to front. There we are. Now it's a little big and I'd like to rotate it so we can shrink our book, and if you'll notice on our item we have this little knob right at the top center. If we click and drag this, we can rotate our book. Alright, perfect. Now with items and characters you can edit them to be whatever it is that you want. So if you want to position anything or change the size, you should be able to do it. All right, now next is background. Now with this template, it's pretty full, so we don't have anything that comes along with this pre-made template. So let's add in our own scene. So if we go up to our scenes menu, I'm going to go over to the patterns category, and let's make something that's really simple and not too distracting. All right, let's go with this gradient here. I think this looks nice. So let's just drag and drop into our frame. And if we go over to our right hand menu, we can click stretch to fill. All right, let's go with non-proportional so it fills the frame really nicely, and click OK. All right, now with our scene in place, let's send that all the way to the back. Great. Now I'd like to just change the color. I like this yellow, but this red is a little strong. So if we go to our right hand menu, we have all of these nice pre-selected color options. But I want my own custom color. So let's go to this box on the right side, select, and now we can change the color to whatever we would like. Let's try to match that light coral bar. It looks pretty good. Oh, I lost what we had made, but that's okay. We can try it again. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Now when you have the color that you like, just click choose, and there we go. Now, last but not least is text. Now, you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is select and highlight the text you want to change. So let's call this figurative test. All right, that is really small. So let's make that much bigger. So to change the text, just highlight what you want to change. Go to your text editor here, and let's bump up that text size. Let's go really big. I think 76 should work. All right, that looks pretty good, but I'd like to change the font. So let's go back to our text editor and select a new font. We have all these great options, but I do like this one right here. So let's select that. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Now, just like your characters and your items, you can move your text boxes as well and resize them. So let's make this a little bit tighter. All right, there we go. Now, when you're all done making the changes to your template, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And that is how you make a figurative language worksheet using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.